So a little bit about my surgeon, who I can honestly say that I've had 15 minutes of time since the original office visit, and then, of course, almost nothing right before surgery. Um, and I want to say that that's okay with me. Um, I'm a knife sharpener for a living, and if you watch me, you would probably be amazed at how fast it is, and what the product that I come out with is perfect. And so I know that I can be extremely fast at something, or a person can be extremely good. They don't. I can't take any extra time. I'm too busy, and she's like that too. Come on in, talk to me, help me make the decision. Perfect. However, there's always a but on one of these, and I think that I remember this clearly, but it's possible that who knows, I could have had a psychotic episode. But I think when I was talking to her, I said, "Well, what do you think about recovery?" And she said, "Full function in 5 days." Later, I spoke to somebody who said, "Oh yeah, that means getting up and going to the bathroom and going back to bed without somebody helping you." And I think that's true.